Ever feel like email is a mess? Let me show you how easy it is to use Gmail. So Gmail is a free email service from Google that makes managing your messages super simple. You can send emails, organize them with labels, and even search for all the messages in seconds. It's like having a superpower for your inbox. Let me walk you through the basics so you can get started right now by just diving into mail.google, or you can just here download the application of Gmail and you get started. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use gmail.com. So I hope everything is doing well firstly, and let's get started right now. So firstly we'll find here on the left the button of compose. You have just to click over it and then you get started with this one by just sending an email. I will here show you other options that could help you in this Gmail. You have just firstly to add your email address. For example, here we have it. Alright, so here we have it right now, and that's it for adding first the email. Right now you have just to add the subject. For example, we have here asking for advice, for advices. Then we have here also other options that could help you. For example, one here endo, redo. Then we have here you select here the one you want or the one you think it's better. Then we have here if you want to here use large, normal or small. Then if you want to make it bold, if you want to make it italic, if you want to make it underline, then we have a text color as well. Then we have here alignment, numbered list, then we have bottled list, and then we have also indent list and other things. So let's just get started. Hey and or hey, I hope everything's doing well. Everything's doing well. For example, we have everything well. As you can see, everything's doing well. My friend or my friend. For example, my friend. For example, like that. I just need your advices for my problems, for some problems, for example, like that. So problems, and that's it for this one. For example, if you want to hear the button of, or for example, if you want to hear this one, just to get started, and you click over here George Shah. If you want to hear Diamond, and also we have in Nero, Comic Sami Mess, and we have here Serif. Then we have here if you want to make it large, if you want to make it huge, if you want to make it also here normal, if you want to hear small, and also if you want to make it bold, if you want to make it italic, underline. Then we have here the text color. About this one you find here background color and text color. I will select for example here about the background, which is for example here this one gray. Then about here it will select the one white one or the red one. So we have how it looks, as you can see. And also find here alignment, and you have just to select here the alignment that you want. Then we have here the bottled list, and we have also here bottled list again. So here we have numbered list, sorry. Then we have here if we want to here put it indent list, and we have indent more. Then we have also here code, then we have also here right to left, and then we have strike through, and then we have also here move formatting. Alright, so we have also here the path list, then we have here indent list, then we have indent more, and then we have here code, right to left, and then we have a strict draw, then we have remove formatting as well. So right now also here there's options that could help you to get started with this one. So it's very helpful and useful to add in those things, because here we have for example the numbered list. I select also here the bottled list, as you can see. So we have here send, if you want to here schedule send, if you want to here to send it on this morning, if you want to hear this after on Monday morning, you have to also to pick a date and time, and you select here the date and time, or you can just click over schedule send, as you can see. Then we have also here other options such as here attach files, want to attach from your computers, or you want to have here insert link as well. You have just to add text to display, and we have a link to, and you add here URL should this link go. then we have to select if it's a web address or email address. Then we have this link and you click over OK and you have to insert. Then we have also here emoji. If you want to add emoji, we have various emojis as you can see. And then we have here if you want to insert files using Drive or insert photo as well. And that's it for this one right now. And then we have also here for toggle confidential mode, insert signature, and we have also here more options such as, for example, if we want to default to full screen, if we want to also label as a social, updates, farm, promotions, and other things. Then we have here plain text mode, print, we have to expand and set up a time to meet. So we have to select the times you are free, and then you create an event and you get started and you with this one. All right. So right now that's it for compose and how you can send email using these new options that could help you guys. So then we have also here start, the option of snows, send, then we have here drafts, more, and then we have also here about more such as import, we'll find here chats, scheduled, and then we have here all mail, and then we have here spam, trash, about category you'll find here social updates, forums, promotions. We have you manage labels. For example, if you want to create new labels, you click over here and you get started. So right now all I have to do is just here click over settings. Let's just discover in those settings. I will show you here the settings that could help you. In the settings you'll find here a general one. About this one you'll find here, for example, the language, phone numbers. If you want to add maximum page size, in the send we have here default reply behavior, hover actions, send and archive. Then we have here default text style, images, dynamic email, grammar, spelling, autocorrect, smart compose personalization, conversation viewer, and we have here notice. We have smart reply, smart features and personalization, smart features and personalization in other Google products and other things that could help. You can just modify it right now as soon as possible. If you don't like something or if you like something, you have just to switch it on or you have just to click over here and deselect it. Then we have here labels as you can see. About this one you find here short and mid, advanced, offline, and teams as well. So we have also here inbox as you can see, and we have also in count and import, filters and blocked addresses, forwarding and pop, emap, and we have the last one which is add-ons as you can see. So alright, so this is it for this one. Right now let's just come back to the inbox. So in the top you'll find also here if on account, we have for a Google application and if on a support. You'll find also here in the left or in the right, you'll find calendar. For example, you have just to select here the calendar that you want, and then you can start with this calendar, and here we have it for today, and then we have here other things that it could help you guys. Then we have also here kept. If you want to take a note, Android devices, iPhone iPad, and we have other things that could help you on Gmail as well. We have tasks. If you want to add a task, so click over here and just start adding a tasks. As you can see, we have the title, details, and date and time, and you get started with this one. Then we have also here the contacts and if you want to get add-ons. So this is how it works with Gmail.com, and you have just to get started right now with Gmail, and it's very helpful to use it with this quality. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.